trampoline. How will we get in?
How will we get in?
We'll just have to climb up. I mean, how will we get in?
We'll just throw you over the
What do you
top.
think? What do you think? Good.
I'm going in.
Hey, right here.
What can we do? Thank you, Daddy.
Take the clogs off.
Yeah.
You like it?
Uncle Larry and Aunt Pam and Aunt Linda and everyone helped put it together.
Oh.
You gotta zip it up when you get on. You can only have 2 people on at a time, okay? Or 1 at a time.
Reflection?
He's running circles around you.
Swim things we use the needles.
Yeah.